friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide I will show you how to fix reverse 1999 game not loading, stuck on loading screen, showing black screen error on PC. So let's go through the method. So the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, click on Steam option, click on exit, and after that click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. After this, try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. So once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -DX12 and then check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. And the next method is to run the game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator. After that, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode. For select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if the issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files, wait for some time and after that try to launch the game again and check. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. So here is the game application. You have simply select it, or if it is not listed, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. If there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Player, MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, then click on check for updates option and this will check if there is any update available for the game. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Under background processes tab, here it will check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it. After selecting it, right click on it and then click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issue. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game hassle-free. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. It will open repair or install option. Click on repair, wait for some time and after you get setup successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. Next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, type 12288 and in the maximum size, type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now click on graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game. After adding the game, to the list over here, select it, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Reverse 1999 game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Reverse 1999 game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.